Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you a very quick and easy way to create text effects just by combining filters in Inkscape. The first thing I'm going to do is create a background using the Create Rectangles and Squares tool. Select a black color, then drag. Then with the text tool I'll click and type text. I'll change the color to white for now. Then go to the Select and Transform tool, hold down the Control key and scale this. Then I'll change the font, let's say to this one. Then if I want to turn the text to uppercase, I can use one of the extensions. Go to Extensions, Text, Uppercase, and this will turn the text into uppercase. I'll scale it again holding the Control key and position it so you can see it better. Now the next thing I'll do is change it to this color. Go to Filters, Distorts, Pixel Smear. You see the effect here. I'm going to apply another filter, ABC's Noise Transparency. And you see this text effect just by combining two filters. Now let's try something else. Let's undo one step, Ctrl Z, and remove only the noise transparency filter. Then I'll go and select one more time Pixel Smear. And you see the effect here, the text look like it's made from fire or lava or something like that, just by applying 2 times the Pixel Smear filter. I'm undoing one more time, Ctrl Z, and this time I'll select Lapping to turn the edges a little bit more. And then again I'll select Noise Transparency. And you see the effect here. This time the edge is a little bit more torn. I'm going to remove all the filters and change the color to this one. Go to Filters, and this time I'll select one of my favorite filters, Metallized Ridge. And then I'll go again to Distorts. Lapping. And you see the effect here. So you see how easy and quick we can create text effects just by combining filters. So go ahead and experiment. There are a lot of filters and you can have probably hundreds, even maybe thousands of combinations that you can do. So that's it for this tutorial. Like the video, subscribe. Bye for now.